Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is it down in the description of that video, so go choose if you want Telegram or you want Discord, because in Telegram and Discord you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today here, that the daily candle here it's finished, that one here. So what that indicates in here, if you remember what me have been telling you yesterday, if you're watching our yesterday video, I told you about that. We came here to that one here and we do it like that, yes or no? And I told you, look here, look at that level here, that one here, and that one here. You see it or no where you are? You are in the top of that level here. We couldn't break it. That's where we used to be yesterday. Then it happened, that red candle which is here, yes or no? So now here in the daily, what we got, I'll show it to you, even that one. I told you we got here that triangle like that, from here and here like that, very clear triangle here. Till now we haven't break it above here, and till now we haven't break it down here, yes or no? And in that level here, we got the top of that trend line. We got something else. Let me show it to you. We got that one. That one is the 50 moving average. You remember us? We said here we got the 100 moving average, yes or no? And over here is the 50 moving average. So they been with us. We buy us from that level here 20%, and we said if it fall down and touch the 200 moving average, us we are going to buy how much? 50% from our capital. Now the Bitcoin here, what it's showing to us? It's showing to us the Bitcoin it's break here, the 50 moving average, it found here. The 100 moving average, now it go back, it touching here the 50 moving average. Now what's going to happen, guys? Now either the bulls they are going to come back powerful and they are going to break here, and that are very good news. That man also we are going to go more higher. If we break in here, it's going to break for us the 50 moving average, that wage or that triangle also we got here, everything is going to be broke, yes or no? Another scenario is going to come here, a red candle here tomorrow, that is going to indicate in what? The market is going to fall down. Then we see if that level here of 26k is going to hold or not, because till now it's still very powerful as you see it. Second time, if it fall down, it's going to be the third time. Then we see if we're going to break it or we're going to stay here in the top of it. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what should you do? You need to wait and either a green candle to come tomorrow to break here. If it's breaking here, you need to enter long. If no, if it came here, a red candle like that, that means the market is going to fall down to 200 moving average and there is no need to buy. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, what we got here, we got that CB consumer confidence of USA is going to come at 2 o'clock, and that normal. It will not affect the market that much. It's got a little bit impact to the market because it's going to tell you what the consumers doing in the market or in the economic, but it will not affect the Bitcoin a lot because now as majority of investors, all of us, we still waiting the member of the Fed that month. They are going to meet up, I think, in 14. That's my next week. So we're going to wait in to see what's going to happen, what the decision they are going to come up with. Everything is too clear. And here, what we got our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day, as you see it here. And today, guys, what is it today? Today is Monday, yes or no? US stocks here, what they telling you? Look at them, all of them, they close green Monday candle. What that indicating? People they being with us, what that indicating? It's indicating we're going to see a red week for stock market. Remember my word, I tell it to you today. At the end of the week, then we came back and I'm going to tell you, I tell it to you. Today is Monday, guys. All US stocks market, candles of them, they close green. For Bitcoin, how we close? We close red. Everything is too clear, guys. Another thing here is our friend, the VIX. What is telling us, the VIX? Scariness is very low. That when people, they are not scared yet. So everything, it looks stable till now. That very good news here. Plus here, that one will make me scared today is that one. The US dollar, it closed the daily candle red. That's a bad news, guys. Let's wait and hope we are going to see the US dollar is going to fall down that week. But the only thing I can tell you, if it's not, we're going to see everything it's falling down more. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. You remember yesterday what me I told you here at that peak here? What me I told you here? You can find it in the last video. I told you guys, we got here a weekly pivot. Here, exactly here. What happened here? Look at the Bitcoin, what it done here. It came, it gave you here a very powerful pin bar here. And what it done here? It fell down. Will not fall down that much, but it fell down. Now what shall we do now? Now either from here is going to go up and to give us another high, because that falling down, where it fall down, look with me here what I'm going to do. If you came here and you do it like that, you do a supply and demand zone like that. That supply and demand zone is getting broke here. The Bitcoin it reached to that one here, that weekly pivot which is here. Then here what it showing? It fall down to that one. Now what's going to happen here? If is it the market is going to go more higher, is going to go more and to break for us that last high. So us what we need to do, we need to be focused about that last high, what we're going to do. People they been with us in the last videos, us we enter long from here. Yes or no? When we break in here and what me I told you the take profit which is 29,100. That's where it needs to be the take profit of us. What that indicating? That indicating me I'm still believing the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Or another scenario, it can happen. It can happen that one to come back here and couldn't break that level which is here, that one here. Then from here it will give us a double top or a price action here, because till now we don't got any price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. Even if we see that small reverse like that, we don't got any price action telling us the market is going to reverse from there. Everything is too clear, guys. Another thing here, very important, let me show it to you. You see that blue one here? That one is the 100 moving average. We break it here in that level here. The Bitcoin is go up till here. Now it go back to rest in the top of it. Now either from here we are going to go more higher. That's how it need to work normal. Let me zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. Look with me here. Over here we break the 200 moving average, yes or no? Then what the Bitcoin done here? Went up till here. Then it fell down till here. Now for us to know the market is going to go more higher, it needs that one to go back up and to break for us that last high which is here, guys. Focus about those things very well. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what should we do here in the 4 hours? Nothing. You just need to wait. Now let's go into see our indicator, guys, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, you remember yesterday we used to be here at the overbought area and I told you guys try to protect yourself, yes or no? Now here in the down, what we got here? We got a trend line. We started from here, from down here as you see it. Now look at it. Every time we touch it, then it bounce up. That trend line now also what we need to do. We need to be focused about it. If we're going to make a correction to here again, then from here we're going to go back up or no? Or from that level here, the market is going to back up to the overbought area. Now, as we touch the overbought area, me I think now as we are going to go either to that level here, then from here we are going to go up, or from here is going to fall down to touch it here. Then from that is going to go up. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember when me enter long from here, from that wage here. That one here, exactly. When it's getting broke here, we enter long till here. Our indicator is enter here to the overbought area. Yes or no? Another thing very important here. You remember that channel me I used to talk about here? You see it or no? That's the channel. We're touching the top of it here. And now here it's showing as if it's going to bounce. Now what shall we do here? We need to be focused if we are going to break that channel here, or from here we are going to fall down to touch the lower of that channel, guys. So that level you need to be focused on tomorrow and after tomorrow what the Bitcoin is going to do here in that level where we are. Our indicator is it here at the overbought area, but till now we don't got any price action here. Only price action you can make there is a trend line like that, but that one we're still far away from it. It needs to be broken here for us to enter short. For the long, we don't got nothing. The only thing we got here for the long is that channel here. All that trend line here. It needs that one to be broken. That one even in daily there. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. And yesterday video, I haven't tell you smash the like button. So no one of you smashing the like button. That one, I want the like button to reach at least to 40 likes. So guys, go disaster that like button. I want it to reach to 40 likes today. Go guys, please support us. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. So here in 30 minutes, guys, we used to be yesterday here, and me, I told you we don't got any price action here. It's telling us we need to enter short, and I'll give you an example. I told you when a knife falling down, you can't catch it now. It needs that knife to bounce in the soil or in the floor, and that's what the Bitcoin doing here. He came to that level here. Look at it now. He bouncing now. Now here, did we got any price action here in 30 minutes? Yes, we got. You can make like that. You see it or no? Like that. A triangle, very clear triangle here in 30 minutes. That one, if it's getting broke here, in that level here, we need to enter long. If it's getting broke down here, we need to enter what? Short, guys. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Let's see our indicator. Was it saying here in 30 minutes? Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. So technically when we are at the oversold area, what we need to look for buy. Another thing we got is here. What is it? In that level here, we got the 200 moving average in the 4 hours. We got that stronger level in the 4 hours. Should we enter short? Unless if we break in here. I just show it to you, that one. If we break in here, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.